Hey friends, this is Zieben Zieben broken down. Now, in Zieben Zieben, there are 3 parts to the dance, and the music is very clear. It tells you when to do those 3 separate parts. The very first part is the part I call Zieben Zieben, because in this part, the music that you hear starts with the words Zieben Zieben. Listen to this.
Zieben, Zieben, Alulu, Zieben, Zieben, 1, 2, Zieben, Zieben, Alulu, 1, 2, 3, Zieben, Zieben, Alulu, Zieben, Zieben, 1, 2, Zieben, Zieben, Alulu, 1, 2, 3.
So now I'm going to show you what steps you actually do in that part, and then we're going to try it together with the music. It goes a little faster, okay? Okay, so for this part, you do with your right foot first. It goes heel, heel, then left foot, heel, heel. Then you do a switch. Switch, switch. Your arms then go up and down. Then you try heel, heel, switch again. Heel, heel. Arms go up, arms go out. Now let's try it with the music.
Zieben, Zieben, Alulu. Zieben, Zieben, Alulu, Zieben, Zieben, 1, 2, Zieben, Zieben, Alulu, 1, 2, 3, Zieben, Zieben, Alulu, Zieben, Zieben, 1, 2, Zieben, Zieben, Alulu, 1, 2, 3.
Now you hear that next music? It's the part I call the instrumental section because all you hear are the instruments. Listen. Part 2. Now when you hear that music for part 2, the instrumental part, this is what you do. It's actually the easiest part and the most fun. You go to the right first. Your legs go open, your arms go out, and you shuffle to the right. You go 1, 2, 3, you clap on 4. You go the other way. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. And then the fourth one. 1, 2, 3, clap. After you do that 4 times, you go like this. Party, party, party. And then I call this the Jane Fonda. Jane Fonda. You party again. Party, party, party. Airplane around. So that's part 2. Let's try it with the music.
Zieben, Zieben, Alulu, 1, 2, 3.
Now, the trickiest part is part 3. This is the part where she sings. Listen to this music here. Here we go. So in this part, in part 3, you do something a little bit different. It starts like this. You point. 1, 2, 3, 4. You add a little drama here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You do it to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drama. 2, 3, 4. The third time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drama. Fourth time. Now this next part to part 3 is almost the same as this first part, but instead of the drama, you add jumps. Watch. So those are all 3 parts. Now I'm going to go back to part 1 very slowly. Watch. Right, right, left, left. Switch, right, left, left, up, down, out, in. Part 2. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Party. Jane Fonda. Party. Airplane. Part 3. Pointing. Drama. Now with the jumps. All right, I hope that helped you.